So once if you make your invoices, then you can use the concept called how to make the payment. Once if you receive payment from the customer, how you can able to generate on here, you can able to record by going to this one. Okay, for that go to your account receivable module, click on the payments, click on and here you can see this one customer payment journal. In this page you can click on the new. Okay, and then you can click on select your invoice journal name, but at this moment we don't have it. We'll go and create. Simply click on view details and then click on the new, make it as a customer. Here you can select the customer payment. Okay, and then you can select the option, take directly, click on view details, click on the new, select on here, make it. Okay, you can close this one and then you can select the customer payment journal name to whom you are going to make the payment. If you're having any description, you can write on this page. Okay, you can go to the lines and you can go to the enter customer payments also. Once if you go to the lines and here to where you have received the payment, you can select the customer name, and then once if you select the customer name, and here you can find an option called settle the transaction. Suppose if I want to know if I have received payment of one is 26 250 88 200, you can select those two and then click on OK. Once if you click on OK, then the same amount, accumulated amount, will get updated on here. The invoice number automatically will be get updated on here. This is about customer account is credited. In this page you are going to receive the bank account. Select the bank account. In this page you can select your bank account on here. This is about the method of the payment is check. Okay, and the status it should be sent, and then here you can enter the check number if you are having received by using the check on here. Then you can go and update the check number. Okay, but generally if it is of a reference number only will be there, we won't have any check number generation because it is a customer. The customer will be issued for us. Okay, we are not going to know issuing the checks to generate it. Once if you do the validation, then you can came to know that where you did the mistake on here. Here you can see this one you are having add beyond the dimension defined in the dimension level. Yeah, there we have some financial dimension issue. It is that we have to select those dimensions as well, because we haven't select dimension. We have to select IT department and then service operations and then IT department and then click on OK. This is about offset account. Already it is selected the same what we have it, and then we'll close and then we'll go and update our bank method of the payment check also, because the check what we did mistake is the check number we made it as a mandatory. Check number it is not the mandatory, right? Payment reference number is mandatory. Select this one and then okay, you can able to post it on here. Once if you post the transaction, then the customer account will get update the remaining balance as an outstanding balance. Again, it is getting disgusting with bank transaction type is not specified. Oh, the type now we made it. As a mandatory, so we should have to select the bank transaction type on here. Let's go to the payment tab. In this space, okay, check payment and then click on the post on here. Once if you click on the post, then the same it will get posted on this page. So you can see this one, that invoice was posted successfully on here. So far is it clear? Anyone have any doubts? No, right? Now if you go to your customer page by taking the right click on here, view details, then on here you can find customer, click on balances, and here you can see this one 88,240 is the remaining balance, because we have got two payments. One is invoice, another one is one recurring invoice. The remaining balance is 88,200. This is the balance on here.